I got this product to review here, and this is going to make being on my computer desk chair in this area so much easier, because the one thing that I can't stand is that it's so hard to move around and wheel on my computer desk chair while I'm on the carpet. That and using the computer chair over time on the carpet is just going to wear it down. So I got this product here to review. This is actually a desk floor mat here that's made for carpet use. Now this isn't made for high carpet use, it's made for low carpet use only. Okay, so now this is what it looks like right here. It's clear or translucent. It does have those kind of tall ridges here that will help keep it in line and keep it in the carpet. And then it is really smooth. So now if you spill a drink on this, you'll be able to clean it up real easy, whether it be water or something sticky from the kids. So let's go ahead and put this down underneath the desk horizontally initially. And this is already so much easier to move around. Now, myself personally, what I think I'm gonna do is actually put this horizontally instead of vertically, and actually laying it out more so from behind the desk, because I want to be able to wheel around a little bit more so than just in that area if it was in the vertical position. So now with this here, you can roll it right around so much more easily. And once again, if you were to spill a drink, you'd be able to pick it up real easy. Helps to keep the carpet intact over time by rolling around on the chair. Once again, this only works for low carpet or medium carpet. This won't work for the high carpet. It's just too thick. You need to have a lower medium or a woven carpet. And other than that, out of the box, this is what it looks like. It works right away. So I would definitely say check this out. It does what it needs to do, and I would recommend this.